see things you'd never believe. I make them believable. I find you innovation and originality. I uncover how things work. I illuminate ideas and explore concepts and find new frontiers with endless possibilities. Where there are problems, I find opportunities. I find inspiration in the stories I have to tell. What am I? I'm a discovery. You can share my imagination.
Is the past always what has been written? Or can the facts be distorted? Even untrue? Using 21st century technology and understanding, experts from around the world reassess some of the most famous events of all time.